is wearing this beautiful crop top from our Kalamkari collection. How do you feel about it?
It's very, very comfortable, which I think is very important for it's very important for fashion these days, I think. Something that's wearable, something that you can wear on a daily basis. So I'm very, very comfortable.
And I think you're looking beautiful in it. And thank you so much. Yes, this also is the collection from Craftsvilla. And I'm going to invite on stage Mr. Manoj, Mr. Monica Gupta. She is the co-founder of Craftsvilla, Mr. Manish Kalra, Chief Business Officer. And the floor is now open for question and answers with Ada joining us, of course. So I'm going to request our members from the media and our bloggers who've joined us today. Firstly, a big thank you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. So, is there anybody who would like to pop up a question? Okay, then I'll only do it on your behalf. Okay. So, ma'am, I would start from you. How do you feel about this entire collection today? You know, it's this big vision that you guys had, and we all know this, that you know, in India, I think this is the first of its kind where craft has been put together with fashion, and this is something that we can really call our own. So how do you feel today about the entire brand shaping up?
It feels amazingly great. When we thought about Anuswara, it was like a woman of today who's confident yet humble, who knows how to respect others, yet she's very, very knowledgeable. That was the inspiration for the whole Anuswara collection. And when I see Ada wearing it, I feel like this is it. This is the woman of today that we would want to wear. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
So I think ma'am has put it beautifully, and we have a nice, beautiful presentation of that. All that you said, all the qualities that you think, you know, is a part of a woman like that. So Ada, you said, you know, like it's very, like comfort is very important when it comes to fashion, and I think, you know, Indian wear, one feels really comfortable in it, right? So. You know, how do you, like, what is the kind of tip that you would like to give to people, you know, when it comes to styling, when it comes to, you know, wearing Indian wear? Of course, we saw like a lot of amazing collections today, but if there was a favorite pick from the entire collection, and if
I saw the whole collection since I was backstage,
Okay.
so I saw, and I thought each of the models looked gorgeous in whatever they were wearing, and each piece would be something that I could wear in my daily life. I love wearing Indian stuff, and stuff like this, which isn't too, which is entirely fuss-free, I would say. You just put it on and look really nice. So I checked out each model at the back, and I can wear everything one day or week. I think we can pick each one.
True. So you would, so people who are looking for, you know, comfort and style, I think this collection, Anuswara from Craftsvilla, we're definitely going to suggest it to them, right?
Yeah, I think we can watch this whole show and then that's advertisement for itself.
And decide which one to pick and which one not to, right?
Decide which one to wear when.
Absolutely. I think you have a huge round of applause for Ada. I think you answered that beautifully. And Mr. Gupta, I would like to ask one question. You know, like beginning from now, like this is the third brand that Craftsvilla is launching. So, what is the road ahead? What have you thought? You know, how are we going to keep on adding new labels and everything? So, is there anything special that is there in the pipeline for us?
Oh, there's a lot actually. There's so huge. I and Monica travel a lot. We believe that not life
Audio.
sorry, cover the whole India. So it is very huge. What we're trying to do is make an attempt of bringing the whole India under Craftsvilla. Different faces, I would say. Anuswara is one face of Craftsvilla, one face of India. Sorry. This craft and about different type of regional variety brought together, fusion of different varieties. One of the interesting things about India is you can get fusions inside India. You don't have to go outside of India. Fusions. And more, I think, last 5-6 years of our history is that India is very rich. We don't know a lot of our own country, and we believe we had done other events like Femina. One of our other vision is to create Mumbai as a fashion capital of the world, and we believe that ethnic fashion is so huge that Mumbai can be a ethnic fashion capital. So a lot of interesting things we have plans for. We're not announcing today, but definitely we will look forward to 2-3 more brands this year. That's something we do.
Great. So on that thought, putting Mumbai on the global platform of fashion, can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Gupta? Mr. Gupta, final question to you. So someone's, they just here, and I thought that your collection, so did other people say that it's very comfortable, very fashionable. So any tip that you would like to give to people out there who are looking out to making sure that they're comfortable and very fashionable through the brand that we launched today?
I think it's important that fashion and comfort marry together, and that's an attempt that we've made today. What we've done is that you stay unique, because not many brands or not many clothing lines in India have gone to crafts.com. So stay unique, stay contemporary, stay modern, stay comfortable. I think that's really important.
You're lovely.
Thank
Tell
you.
us about your attire.
Well, this collection from Craftsvilla, like you can see, is very strange that I'm talking to you, but I'm looking at it. But this collection is very wearable, it's comfortable, it's casual, and it looks stylish as well. I think all the girls out there would want to dress up like this summer because it's really hot outside. We're in AC now, but it's really, really, really hot outside. So wearing something like this is cool and comfortable and very, very nice looking. I think it looks really stylish, fashionable.
The Craftsvilla is always known for the Indian attire. Always you will see the Indian touch in that.
Yes.
So what do you like to say about it?
I'm glad to be associated with it today because Craftsvilla is known for its Indian and its ethnic wear as well as its Western wear. So both of them, and I think Indian women are women who can wear both. You can wear traditional and look nice, and you can wear Western and look nice as well. I think we're the few women in the world who can pull off both looks really nicely. So I'm glad to be associated with a brand that does both. So yes, this is kind of Indo-Western. What I'm wearing right now, it's not extremely traditional. So it has like influences of both.
So in real life, what do you prefer more, Western or Indian? Because in Twitter, you have said gown or sari.
Yeah, oh my god, he's the best talker, I always tell him. Best talker, but I don't know, it depends what you're going for. And usually the character that I'm playing in a movie, that somehow becomes your personal style for that amount of time. So sometimes, mostly like if I'm doing a South movie, it's usually Indian, and then I end up wearing like a bindi and kurta or something like that. But if it's a red carpet, then maybe gowns. I really like wearing gowns, but I love wearing saris also. But in a day-to-day basis, I think something like this is comfortable and looks stylish as well, because you can't wear a gown or a sari if you're going for a movie or if you're just going out of your house for a meeting or something. That would be a little strange.
She is also known for a style icon for the youth. So what do you like to say, or any tips? Because nowadays,
Thank you.
Nowadays, more hot is that. So
Tips?
Any tips?
Yeah, I think you can choose comfortable fabrics, natural fabrics like cotton, and avoid wearing synthetic stuff because you'd burst out into rashes maybe. And just keep cool, and like I said, on usual daily basis, you can't be wearing very elaborate things nowadays, and people like wearing casual stuff, and casual stuff that's trendy and comfortable. If you can do that and be ethnic as well, there's nothing like it. So
What two things you carry in summer?
what two things I carry in summer?
Yeah, summer.
Water bottle and a smile on my face to combat with the very hot sun outside.
So what is true style statement of Adan?
Style statement, I don't have one particular style statement. I think that is my thing. I
Because
blend
you follow you,
into.
that's right.
So I'm someone who likes to blend into whatever I'm doing. So if it's a movie, I listen to what the director has in mind. If it's a fashion show like this, I like to listen to what the stylist has in mind. And I like to keep my mind open. I think that's how you can experiment looking different each time. Otherwise, you end up looking the same if you have one statement. So I don't have a statement.
Okay, apart from this, what's in pipeline?
Lots of stuff happening, lots of stuff. But I think let things start and then.
Because recently you have shoot for PETA, right?
Yes. You ask him about my updates, he knows everything. He knows where I'm going tomorrow also. If you ask him, he knows with flight time, everything he knows. But there's lots of stuff happening, but I think let things happen and then we talk.
As a celebrity, recently Abhay Deol has said that celebrities should not endorse the fairness cream. So what is your take on it?
I think in the West, there are tanning salons that are there, and the grass is always greener on the other side. So I'm a shade of light brown. I'm Indian and I'm very proud of my color. So I would just like to say that I am very proud of it. It's very difficult for me to talk about a generalization of the entire women of the entire India, because all of us Indians have different shades of brown. So I think whatever your skin color externally, in your head, if you're if you don't have too many complexes, you can be a very happy person. So for me, I'm very happy with my shade of light brown. I don't use, in my personal life, I don't use any whitening skin creams. But in the West, like I said, if you know, there are so many tanning salons and they love brown skin. They go through a lot to start looking brown. They tan themselves in the sun. Like here, we hide from the sun and we keep umbrellas. But the grass is always greener on the other side.
So are you attending the IFA Awards in New York?
I'm not sure. It's in June or July, no? June. Maybe. I don't know about my May dates yet.
So you have attended Hyderabad.
I did attend Hyderabad right now. Yes, I performed last year as well. So maybe. All right.
As a celebrity, recently,
Controversial is coming. I can feel it. Ask.
Sonu Nigam tweeted about Azan and loudspeaker.
What is this? I don't even know this. What is?
He gets irritated because of Azan is playing nearby.
Mainly you have that loudspeaker should not be
Okay.
used and God house.
And lot
Okay.
of people are reacting
About loudspeaker.
Yeah. He's saying,
I don't-
I'm not a Muslim, so why should I get up by Azan?
Okay. I didn't know. Thank you for the. I didn't read this in the papers or on Twitter. But no, I don't think I should be commenting on loudspeakers. But my mind is very peaceful and shant, so I'm in a very happy place right now.
So is it right, like his tweet is right? Comment on
It's very wrong for one human to judge another human, because I don't know what that person thinks in his head. And I've been brought up by my parents. They told me don't judge someone. Like don't say this one said this so that about him. And so I think judging someone is very wrong without knowing the entire facts of a story. So I don't want to comment.
According to you, is it the right to play Azan on speaker?
Is it right to play Azan on speaker? I'm not the moral police of playing Azan. That's not my job. I'm an actor and today modeling clothes. So it's my duty to look nice in the clothes that I'm wearing. And as an actor, I better know my dialogues and act really well. I think if we all put our minds to the professions that we are given, the world would be a very beautiful place to live in. And I'm working towards that personally. Thank you.